Printer keeps disconnecting from Wi-Fi? Before you buy a new printer or spend hours troubleshooting, try these 7 quick fixes that solve most wireless printer connection problems. First, check the Wi-Fi signal. Printers usually have weaker wireless antennas than phones and laptops. If your printer is far from the router or separated by multiple walls, move it closer and see if the connection becomes more stable. Next, check which Wi-Fi band you're using. Many printers work best on a 2.4 GHz network, while some older models don't support 5 GHz at all. If your router broadcasts both bands, connect the printer to the 2.4 GHz network and test it again. If the printer randomly appears offline, the issue could be its IP address. Some routers assign a new IP address to the printer, which can confuse your computer. Setting up a DHCP reservation, also known as a static IP, can prevent this problem. Another common cause is sleep mode. Some printers disconnect from Wi-Fi after sitting idle for too long. Open the printer settings and increase the sleep timer or adjust the power saving options. You should also check for firmware updates. Manufacturers regularly release updates that fix connection bugs and improve wireless stability. Update both the printer and the router if updates are available. If the problem continues, restart both the printer and the router. It sounds simple, but a quick reboot often clears temporary network issues and restores a stable connection. Still disconnecting? Remove the saved Wi-Fi connection from the printer and set it up again from scratch. Reconnecting to the network can fix corrupted wireless settings that other troubleshooting steps won't solve. So, if your printer keeps dropping off Wi-Fi, check the signal strength, switch to 2.4 GHz, assign a static IP, adjust sleep settings, install firmware updates, restart the network, and reconnect the printer if needed. One of these fixes solves the problem in most cases. If your printer is still disconnecting, leave the model number in the comments, and I'll try to point you toward a more specific solution.